Tired of your amazing listings getting lost in the digital noise? Let's supercharge your property's visibility on Kvcore in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Listings tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Now, find the listing you want to promote and click the star icon to mark it as a featured listing. This puts your property at the top of search results and on prominent spots across your website. Next, amplify your reach through social media. Directly from the listing page, use the built-in social sharing buttons to post captivating content to your Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn profiles. Write an engaging caption, and don't forget high-quality photos or a virtual tour link. Finally, unleash the power of targeted marketing. Head over to the Marketing Autopilot section and create a dedicated email campaign specifically for this listing. Target potential buyers based on their search criteria, location, or interests to maximize your lead generation. Tailor your message with property-specific details and a clear call to action. And that's it. By utilizing featured listings, social media sharing, and targeted marketing campaigns, you'll significantly boost your listing's visibility on Kvcore and attract a flood of potential buyers. Get out there and make some sales.